In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cash out and withdraw funds from the PayPal app, whether you want to transfer your earnings from online work, receive money from friends, or simply relocate your funds into your bank account. Following these simple steps ensures a smooth transaction. First, let's open the PayPal app on your device. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials and access your account. Once you're on the home screen, it's time to begin the process of withdrawing your funds. Look around your screen for an option that says Transfer Funds. This option allows you to move your money out of PayPal and into another financial account. Before we proceed, it's important to ensure that you have either a bank account or a card linked to your PayPal. Without these, you won't be able to fully withdraw your funds externally. If you're unsure about this, take a moment to double check within your account settings. Linking a bank account or a card is straightforward, usually involving entering your account details and following a few verification prompts. Now let's get back to the task at hand. Tap on Transfer Funds. This will allow you to choose where exactly you want the money to go. If it's your first time doing this, you will need to link either a card or a bank account to your PayPal account. Follow the on-screen instructions to add your preferred financial destination. Make sure you input the correct details to avoid issues with your fund transfer. Once your card or bank account is properly linked, you can go ahead and click Next. The screen should now provide you with an option to insert the amount you wish to withdraw. You might want to double check your available balance just to confirm you have enough in your PayPal account for this withdrawal. Enter the desired amount carefully. After verifying this amount, click through to the confirmation stage. Confirming the withdrawal is the critical point where you express your final approval for the funds to be moved as instructed. A confirmation page will typically show all details related to your withdrawal transaction, the amount, destination account, and expected transfer time. At this point, take a deep breath, review the details one last time, and when everything looks good, hit that confirm button. And that's it. Your funds are on their way, and you will usually receive a notification or an update email from PayPal confirming that the withdrawal is being processed. Withdrawing funds from PayPal can sound a little tricky at first, but as you can see, it's a straightforward process when you know where to go and what to do. If any issues arise, the PayPal Help Center is always a click away to assist you further. Thank you for watching and happy transferring.